Khona manjalo i-Energy noma ngathi National Energy Regulator of South Africa isigunyazeke isilinganiso esisha sentengo kagesi wamahhala oyisisekelo ozosebenza ngohlelo lwamahora lapho isikali sizoba ngo-238.60 cents noma ngathi-ke wama-kilowatt ngehora okuwuhlelo oluzoba ngonyaka weyimali u-2026-2027 oluzoqala-ke ukusebenza mhla lulunye Ntulikazi 2026. Lesi silinganiso-ke singena kwingxenye kagesi wamahhala ongamahora angu-50 ama-kilowatt okuhlinzekwa ngawo leyo mizi edla imbuya ngothi ey'ndaweni ey'hlinzekwa yi-Eskom ugesi. Lokhu-ke uhlelo lwanyanga zonke. Kanti-ke iNERSA ithi-ke lolu hlelo lusemqoka ekwesekeni imizi edonsa kanzima yize-ke uhulumeni kanye ney'nhlaka ey'hlukene beqhubeka nokubuyekeza indlela ey'qamathekile zokwenza ngcono uxhasomali kanye-ke nokusetshenziswa kwalolu hlelo.
The Energy Regulator has approved the National Free Basic Electricity Rate of 238.60 cents per kilowatt hour for the 2026-27 financial year, effective from 1 July 2026 to 30 June 2027. This rate will be used by Eskom to bill municipalities for the free basic electricity units supplied to qualifying households in the Eskom supply areas. In areas where Eskom is the electricity supplier, FBE is provided on behalf of municipalities through agreements with Eskom. The FBE is an essential element of the electricity basic services support tariff policy. This policy aims to provide a monthly allocation of 50 kilowatt hours of electricity to indigent households identified by municipalities. NERSA acknowledges that while the FBE policy remains an important mechanism for promoting energy access and affordability, municipalities continue to face administrative, financial, and technical challenges in its implementation. To support improvements in the program, the Department of Electricity and Energy has established a multi-stakeholder review panel on FBE. The panel will review the program's design and develop evidence-based recommendations. It is important to indicate that NERSA's mandate is to determine tariffs, including NFBE rates, while policy implementation rests with municipalities and the national government. NERSA also provides policymakers with input and feedback on electricity pricing and affordability matters, including issues related to FBE implementation.